Hello everyone, and this is Henry Lucas from Brandsynario, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the latest mid-range phone, the Realme 6 Pro. So let's start with the unboxing. The Realme 6 Pro is the world's first smartphone to launch with the Snapdragon 720G. The phone has the fastest side fingerprint scanner, which unlocks in 0.38 seconds. The chic Lightning design is available in three variants: Lightning Blue, Lightning Red, and Lightning Orange. With the newly upgraded 30-watt flash charge, the Realme's 4300 mAh battery can be fully charged within 16 minutes, making it the best choice for people on the go. The Realme 6 Pro comes with a 6.6-inch smooth display which is capable of producing 90 frames per second, resulting in a seamless visual experience with the 2400 by 1800 pixels Full HD Plus resolution. The display is also covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for better protection. With Realme Pro's 16-megapixel dual-in Sony wide-angle camera, get smart-looking selfies with the HDR Super Portrait Nightscape mode. The Realme 6 Pro comes with an ultra-clear quad camera setup, comprised of a 64-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel 20x hybrid zoom telephoto lens, an 8-megapixel 119-degree ultra-wide-angle, and a macro lens which enhances the resolution and quality of images. You can take more professional-looking night scene photos with night mode. Realme has added the Ultra Nightscape and Tripod mode to help you capture real night scenes. This waterproof phone is based on Android 10. Also, it supports dual-frequency GPS, which means comparatively Realme 6 Pro can provide more precise positioning services in cities. The phone has three memory variants: 4GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB, and 8GB plus 128GB. And Realme 6 Pro is also equipped with a 3-card slot for 2 SIM cards and 1 SD card up to 256GB. The Realme 6 Pro comes with Dolby Atmos and high-res audio for better and enhanced sound experience. So is this phone worth buying or not? For the features it offers, we would 100% recommend giving it a chance. For more tech news and updates, stay tuned to Brandsynario, like and subscribe to our channel.